May buntag. Pilang taho, bossing? Jace 20-30. Maka, kamo ka mo push up?
Push up.
Oo, ka-push up ka?
Push up.
Challenge.
Push up ka, Jace kada push up niya. Do as much push up for 30 seconds.
Gini.
Atong kung ano taho, vendor. Si pangani mo, ay, brother? Wendel. Pipila edad? 19, bata pa. Oh, Darius ka 43. Okay. So, G's kada push up for 30 seconds. Do as much as you can. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, woo! 20, 21, 22, stop! Pila man 22? 220! Bayaran to atong utang ni brother. Wala mong kusensiyo, 250 na lang.
Ubo 30.
Salamat. So atong taho vendor no, si Wendel. Nakakuha siya 22 push-ups. Kusgan kayo. Kaon po tagtaho niya.
Thank you, sir.
Siya may naka-shout out diha.
Shout out ko sa kumaguwang sa tindirog tao sa
Kisay pangan.
Walter si Quiles.
Walter. Shout out to Walter. Kuya Walter, yang maguwang. Cheers, taho.